Hey, but I'm blessed to be stuck with you. Whoa. Sometimes it gets unhealthy. We can't be by ourselves. We will always need each other.
Hey Kingdom family, happy 4th of July. Hope you guys are having a good day, you know. Welcome back to another vlog. But we should gonna have a good day, and if you guys are watching, stay safe out there. You know, be careful for all the fireworks.
By the time they see this, probably be way past it.
Yeah, but still, you know, at least they could see that I try to warn them, you know, before time.
Aww.
Yeah, we're gonna go celebrate with the kids, and every time my lady, she look beautiful as well. She gorgeous. My sister lady won't bad.
Everyone tell my soulmate that he looks so handsome and that keep it cute. Don't do too much.
Yeah.
Cause this is my man.
Yeah.
So this is his outfit. Let me see the hat.
It's a blue LA cap with a Central hoodie.
Okay.
With the light jeans and the white forces. If you know, you know. Then we got my baby. We gonna show her. You feel me? Oh, she got the white on red going on.
And then my red purse.
Yeah, everybody tell her she look gorgeous in the comments or wherever you're seeing this. Yeah, we 4th of July ready. We got a little bit of fireworks for the kids, you know. Usually, like a lot of holidays, it's like now that we're getting older, well, you know, I see it as for the kids, you know. So yeah, look at that lineup though. Tell my barber he did his thing.
He got some fireworks for his siblings because
Just a little.
he just wanted just to add on so they could have a lot of fun.
They could have a little something, you know. It's all about them enjoying it. It's like a couple things, but not too much.
There was like a little, I don't know if you guys could hear them already. It's barely what time is it?
Like 6.
It's barely 6 and they've been popping off since yesterday.
6
So yeah, let's go ahead and take off and
let's go get this thing cracked and let's go celebrate with the fam bam. So, and we're gonna celebrate with you guys, so we're gonna bring you guys along with us. So you guys gonna see little clips in there of what we're doing.
so we'll talk to you guys when we get back.
Yeah, we'll catch you guys in a bit.
This is say hi to the vlog. Hola.
Vlog, say hi to the vlog. You guys say hi to the vlog.
Wait.
Okay.
Say hi. Hurry for goes out. Oh.
Guys, we're the Avengers! We're the Avengers! Mike, can you some? Next time? Can I some, Mama? Can I get two? Amma, can I get some smart? Lydia, can I get some?
Told you.
Over here.
If it's on the ground, when it's on these.
With the camera! I'll book all of you! Noah!
Look at mine.
Oh!
Yo no voy a dar. No vaya. Mira, ya no tiene.
You're gonna win.
Who has a regular one? Ah! Can I get some? Can I get some? Can I get some?
Yeah.
I'm making the small one.
Pretty. She's scared.
How many are there? I don't like it. Look at these. We got some of these.
We have this. I don't know what it does.
This is like the flower one.
Oh.
Oh, look at it. A ring one.
Oh.
That's nice. We got this big.
Okay, this one you guys can hold up. You can hold it while it shoots it up. Wait, I kind of want to do this one. What does this one do?
There's a lot of different ones. Huh? This one's a zombie one.
Which is that one? Which does that one do?
I don't know. I'm scared.
Why you guys all the way back there? Girl. Hey, look at the little fireworks. You guys, I'm doing rain dance.
Yes! You dance. Oh, look. What is
The rose blossom.
I'll do it.
I'll do it. I'll do it.
Yeah.
Oh, cover your ears and have a explosion. It's a smoke bomb. Oh, no, never mind. See? Told you.
Oh, that was nice. Oh,
Oh, that looks so bad.
there you go. You can see better now. Say hi, you guys,
Hi.
to the YouTube.
You think I hit the wires?
Oi, oi.
You think I hit the wires? Hey. Could you pick
What you guys want to do next?
Let's just keep picking it. I want to pick one. Okay.
It's fireworks.
Pick one then. Definitely this one. We need to apologize.
Hey.
Smoke bomb.
The first one I need.
Doing one right now.
No! No? That's it. It's probably done.
I thought it was gonna. Me too.
Oh, wait, that's good. That's good. There you go. That's close to the power line.
No, sir.
Taking the family.
Hi, grandma. It's my grandma. Ain't no way. YouTube.
Hello.
Oh,
We're gonna go hug.
the jalapeno one.
Yeah.
Okay, go. There you go. That was the other one we got to. Everybody over here running.
Scary cats.
Oh, we just gotta see what these do.
Oh, this one. Do this one.
Hold on, brother.
Oh no, there's another one.
Oh, look. Oh.
Only the jump box left. Oh my gosh, this is on your finger. I'll go on this. Detective! Tiny. We do jumbo? Behind me, yeah. Hey,
Close your eyes.
the smoke. I know. Protection. Oh. Mom, that's a rat. I got that. What? You have fireworks? Yeah.
Oh, that was nice.
My little pony. Yes.
My little pony.
My little pony. Boom! Yeah. Another one. I want to try. No one else will see the garden. No one goes up there. I want to try fireworks. Whoa!
That one.
I want to like one. Let's do the big ones last. Yeah. This is the big one. Yeah. You want me to open it? Back up, boy. It's called My Little. It's called the Devil King. Look, I'm gonna change to My Little Pony. Oi. There you go. Thank you. So no alcohol.
Body, hey. Hey, a ver, ponete tu traje. Ponle. ¿Este?
Which is that one? The diamond
Wait, is that dirt? That's dirt. Yeah, they have to put it. You know, cars.
pet that. Oh. Oi!
No way. Kind of
It's a
scared.
little baby one. Maybe it's not gonna fly this week. But
Hey guys, I'm kind of scared. I've been in the back hiding.
no way, ain't no way. She's over here running. Oh.